Hello, and here is a tutorial on how to add custom fonts into Photoshop because it's really useful when you want to use a font that isn't like Times New Roman or any of these default fonts here. So, what you're going to do, open up the good old internet, go to Google, and you can either search fonts or the one site I like to use is this. Defont.com has a lot of different fonts, a lot of different selections you can make. It gives you some it says last fonts added, but it's not usually the last font added. You could search pretty much anything. There's typewriter, there's curly, and look, there's like tons of pages for all these too. So I'm just gonna find a quick one. Let's go with LCD display. So just click download, save the file to wherever, and when that's done, find your file. What was it called? Display. I'm just gonna extract it to my desktop for now. And then from here, this is where people usually get confused on how to load it into Photoshop. You don't actually load them into Photoshop. There's no way of actually loading fonts, as far as I know, from Photoshop directly. So hide Photoshop, unless you don't even have it opened. Open your Finder and go to your library, and then you're going to want to find fonts, and this is where your custom fonts will go and will be added into your font list for pretty much any program you use on your Mac that allows custom fonts. So drag it in. I just drag display 3 whatever it is into there, close it. Sometimes you'll have to restart Photoshop depending on which version you have and which how updated your computer is, but usually you don't really have to, so just look for it. Display. Okay, mine didn't work, clearly. Oh, it did work. I just had to click on a different thing, and then just take your text box, and there you go. You have your new font ready to go in Photoshop. Hope you can use this to simplify things when you're designing stuff in Photoshop. Peace.